So you're probably getting ready for your countertops to be installed and you're wondering, what do I need to do to ensure everything goes smooth? A few things that we will need for you to do is to ensure your cabinets are secured in place and level. If you're getting your floors replaced, we do ask you to get those done before your countertops are installed. We will come in and put a blue tarp down onto your floors, and we will make sure we protect your new floors. Then we will have our countertop installers put the countertops onto your cabinets, and we will make sure that any dust is collected on site by our guys. We do ask that you clear the top layer of your cabinets, keep them clean so that if there is any loose dust, we can minimize the cleanup process at the end of our installation. The guys will leave your home looking brand new and ready for your family to come on over and enjoy your new countertops.